Samsung The Premiere Projector 120 delivers a genuinely cinematic image with detailed 4K resolution and enough brightness to hold up well in a moderately lit living room. Its ultra-short throw design lets you place the projector only inches from the wall or screen, so you can create a large picture without needing a deep room or ceiling mount. The built-in sound system with a dedicated subwoofer and 30-watt speakers in a 2.2-channel layout produces surprisingly full and immersive audio for an all-in-one projector. Samsung's smart platform provides quick access to major streaming apps, screen mirroring, and other connected features, so the projector functions much like a modern smart television. Color performance is a strong point, with accurate tones and good contrast that make movies, sports, and games look vivid and natural when upscaled to 4K quality. Conveniences like integrated voice assistants, automatic game mode, and a single remote that can manage compatible devices make everyday use smooth and hassle-free.